Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel MomGudy Days. So in today's episode we are going to talk about face mask which is going to make you bright, super radiant and glowing. So where do we get these masks? Take a left, take a right, go straight into your kitchen. That's the place. These are going to be DIY masks. So without further ado, let's pamper ourselves. Your skin is feeling a little off, dull and tanned, don't worry, you're in the right place today. Trust me, these two DIY masks are so good. Like, these are my two most favorite face masks. Immediately after the first application, you're going to see the results. So no further delay, let's start with the first DIY mask. So all you need for this is 1 spoon of curd and 1 spoon of rice flour, and then saffron strands, and then vitamin E. I'm using it from Dev Herbs. Okay, and then my favorite aloe vera gel from Vega. And now let's add all these things. And 1 drop of vitamin E oil. So this is pretty much all you need. That's how the consistency should be, and you can leave it in the refrigerator for around like 1 hour or even half an hour. You know, you can see that saffron's color that is slowly spreading, and this is how it looks so beautiful. Wash your face before you apply your mask, and then apply with a brush or even with a clean hands. You'll have to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. If it gets dry before that, then you can wash it off. Don't let any of the face mask gets really dry on your skin. That's not going to work. So you'll have to wash it before it gets really dry. So when you're washing, you don't have to really rub it and exfoliate. You just have to gently rub, or you can even splash water, make it softer, and then you can take that off. Ingredients itself are so good. The bomb ingredient is the curd and then the saffron. For some reason turmeric doesn't work on my skin, and that's the reason I have used saffron. It works absolutely fantastic on me. What can we say about the curd? It is an acne fighter. It helps to soften your skin. It gives you that glow. It hydrates your skin. So this is suitable for all the skin types. I am more on the oily side. Suppose if you feel a little dry after this mask, then you can apply a moisturizer immediately after the face mask. Okay, let's move on to the second face mask. That is a coffee face mask. So for this you need 1 spoon of coffee powder, 1 spoon of besan, 1 spoon of curd, and 1 spoon of aloe vera gel. So let's mix them together. Coffee, as you know, instantly brightens and tightens your skin, and besan gives you that instant brightness. So I'm going to add 1 spoon of curd here, and then I'm going to add aloe vera gel from Vega. 1 spoon of it. Okay, so I'm going to mix together. There you go, a bright skin here. Apply it with a brush or even the clean hands. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then you can wash it off. You can use it like weekly, twice or thrice. Don't take it from me. Your face after the application of this DIY mask are pretty much going to be the evidence. I'm sure you're gonna love this mask and the results. So go give it a try and let me know how you felt. I'll come back to you guys with lots of such informative videos. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channels, and also click on the like button. Until I meet you in the next video, as I always say, cherish every moment of your motherhood. Take care, stay at home.